Hello guys, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Divine Institute. I am Firoz Ahmad. If you visit first time in our channel, then subscribe. Today I will discuss about CTET, UPTET English language. So please watch our video at last. Come to the question number first. A teacher asked the student of class 5 to read the thoroughly. Then she asked them to answer the question with reference to the context, means RTC. In this process, she is encouraging students for here 4 options for you: intensive reading, extensive reading, skimming, or scanning. So, intensive reading. Referring to context involve learners reading in detail with specific learning aim and task. In the given question, teacher asked student to the answer. Question of specific context means RTC. In this process, she is encouraging student for particular text reading with particular aim. It is intensive reading. Hence, option number is right. Come to the question number second. The term comprehensible input is associated with. Here four psychologists: Noam Chomsky, James Asher, Lev Vygotsky, Stephen Krashen. This term comprehensible input is associated with Stephen Krashen. Option number D is right answer. Stephen Krashen, not M, it is N. Stephen Krashen. Comprehensible input is a language input that can be understood by listeners despite them not understanding all the word and structure in it. It is described as one level above that of the learners if it can only just be understood. Hence it's associated with Stephen Krashen. Come to the question number third. Which one of the following is not the sub skill of reading? Is not sub skill. Please learn. See question number. He told not a sub skill of reading. You know some sub skills of reading: synthesizing, connecting, predicting, vocabulary, writing, phonics. Here transcripting is not the sub skill of reading. So our answer is B is right. Our answer B is right. Come to the question number 4. Which one of the following is least important in enhancing speaking skill of children? Which one of the following is least important in the enhancing speaking skill of children? Here 4 options: asking closed-ended question, organizing discussion on a given topic, say listening patiently to children's talk. 4 options: giving them an opportunity to express their feeling and ideas. Here question say one who the following is least important. You note the point. If least, not, does not, did not, do not, then you focus on the options. Here he told important in the enhancing speaking skill of children. For enhancing speaking skill of children, teacher must be organized discussion on a topic, give them an opportunity to express their feelings as well as ideas, and listen patiently to children's talk. Then children will learn vocabulary, sentence formation, etc. There must not ask closed-ended question because it will never help to develop vocabulary, speaking fluency, and thought processing. He asking closed-ended question. Is the option number is right? Least means not. Least means not. Then option number is right. So comes question number 5. At primary level, literature is helpful in developing language of learners as. At primary level, literature is helpful in developing language of learners as. Here option. It develops teachers' interpretative, creative, and critical ability. It is a good basis for the only expression of vocabulary. Option C. It encourages the learners to complete the worksheet based on it. It is an authentic material covering various genres. So at primary level, literature is helpful in developing language of learners as an authentic material covering various genres, stories, books, magazines, and poems that are made for children. Hence, option number is right. Please listen one more. At primary level, literature is helpful in developing language of learners as an authentic material covering various genres, stories, books, magazines, and poems that are made for children. Hence, option number D is right answer. Please come to the question number 6. A teacher prepares a worksheet. A teacher prepares a worksheet and remove every seventh word from the text. Listen. A teacher prepares a worksheet and removes every seventh word from the text. Then she asks the learners to read the text. After that, they were asked to complete the worksheet with missing word. The ask given to the worksheet is a here 4 option: closed test, open test, speaking test, and the writing test. It is a procedure in which a subject is asked to supply words that have been removed from a passage as a test of their ability to comprehend text. Is called closed test. Is called closed test. Hence, option A is right answer. Come to the question number 7. Language is arbitrary means that. Language is arbitrary means that. Option A. There is a strong relation between the words of a language and their meaning. Option 2. There is no inherent relation between the word of a language and their meaning. Option C. Something is determined by judgment and for a specific reason. Option D. It is based on a valid reason and not on chance. Here he called language is arbitrary. Language is arbitrary means that there is no geometrical or a physical resemblance between word and meaning. Listen, it means that there is no geometrical or physical resemblance between word and meaning. It is basically conventional and traditional. Hence, option number is B is right answer. Come to the question number 8. The teacher observed that Praveen could not write a paragraph on her own even after brainstorming the topic. However, she was able to write it under adult or peer guidance. This guidance is called. Here option is scaffolding, socialization, team teaching, or counseling. The guidance is given to Praveen. by teacher for writing thought out. The learning process is called is scaffolding. Listen one more. The guiding is given to Praveen by teacher for writing thought out. The learning process is called scaffolding. It is a teaching method that enables a student to solve a problem, carry out a task, and achieve a goal through a gradual setting of outside assistance. So come to the question number 9. The purpose of textual exercise is not to. Here 4 options. Option 1, memorize the answer to the question. Giving exposure to language learning, develop creativity among learners, provide opportunity to express themselves. I will explain these questions. Here tell the purpose of textual exercise is not to. Here told not to. Who is not? The textual exercise. Memorize the answer to the question. NCF 2005 is right to not memorize. Memorize is not. The small child cannot memorize. He is understood, not memorized. So option number is right for this question. The purpose of textual exercise is always have, but option A, memorize, and the answer to the question is not to textual exercise. So come to the question number 9. In the multilingual classroom, learners can interact. Here 4 options. Only is the language prescribed 3 language formula. Next, in the language with which the teacher is familiar. Next, in the medium of instruction followed by the school. In their own language and can be a mix of words from more than one language. Here option A is wrong, option B is wrong, C is wrong. He cannot say the multilingual classroom. In the multilingual classroom, learners can interact in their own language and can be a mix of words from more than one language. It is the multilingual class. There can be much more use of the target language because it will be a only common language between the learners. It is the class where the learners speak a variety of the first language. Hence, option number D is the right answer. Come to the question number 11. Diagnostic tests are administered to. Option A, test the language proficiency of students for providing them jobs. Option B, judge the student capabilities. Option C, find out deficiencies of the students with a view to planning remedies. Option D, assess the suitability of a candidate for a specific program. Here he told diagnostic tests are administered to. Diagnostic means help the teacher and learners identify problems that they have with the language. It measures student understanding of a subject area or skill base. Its procedure, it is the find out deficiencies of the students with a view to planning remedies. Hence, option C is the right answer. Come to the question number 12. Structural program gives more importance to. Structure approach gives more importance to. Here 4 options. Speed only, reading and writing, speed and reading and reading only. The structure approach is based on the assumption that language can best be learned through a scientific selection and grading of structure and patterns of sentence and vocabulary. This approach employs technique of the direct method of teaching, but use of translation is not wholly discarded speech in many states, but reading and writing are also important. So option B is the right answer. Come to the question number 13. Which among the following does not come under the meaning based activities? Which among the following does not come under meaning based activities? Here have four options: reading the text and the narrating the same to peers, reading out every word aloud and translating it, interacting with the text using previous knowledge. So the question tell me, which among the following does not come under the meaning based activities? Reading and text is the narrating the same appears is the right, interacting with the text is the right, using previous knowledge is the right, but reading out every word aloud the translating it, the activities based activities have not. But he asked who's not, who does not follow. So option number B is right according to the question. Option number B is the right. Come to the question number 14 dash. Comprehension is the skill. Reading a piece of text closely or intensely for a purpose of extracting specific information from the text. Four options: local, transactional, inferential, global. Local comprehension is the skill of reading a piece of text closely or intensely for the purpose of extracting specific information from the text. So option number A is the right answer. Local comprehensive is one of the pillar of the act of reading. One of the pillar of the act of reading. When a person read a text, he engage in a complex array of cognitive process. He is the simultaneously using his awareness and understanding the phonics and ability to comprehend the construct meaning from the text. Come to the question number 15. It is a type of writing. It is a type of writing in which the teacher provides the situation and help the class to prepare it. The teacher continuously provides feedback, direction, and expansion of ideas to the learners. Here I have four options: free writing, product writing, control writing, guided writing. Option number D, guided writing. Guided writing is most important aspect of the adult's role in the developing children's writing to the respond possibility to the child's attempt at written communication. Hence, guided writing. Guided writing is the right answer. Guided writing sessional enable the teacher to support an individual or small group of the children in thinking and talking about their ideas before writing, prompting them to apply the extended their knowledge, skill, and strategies. So option D, guided writing is the right answer. If you want all types of PDF file, so visit our Telegram channel Divine Institute. Divan Institute. You connect and find all types of PDF files. If you our video have better than you like, comments and share. Thank you very much. A lot of thanks.